Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and when you press that, which I recommend that you do, what ends up happening, it's called the notification bell. YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a new video. I think it's a great idea because sometimes my videos are time sensitive. I mention deals and things like that. So this way it's sitting in your inbox. You get to look at the picture and see what the video is all about. And if it's something you want to watch right away, you just simply press on the picture and it brings you like a shortcut directly to the video. Otherwise, it's sitting in your inbox waiting for you when you have time to watch. So recommend that highly. So thank you very much. If you've already subscribed to the channel, I do recommend the bell. The one thing that I do want to mention up front that I seem to always neglect to say in my videos, it is very important for me on the YouTube platform that you guys give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying my content. This way YouTube knows that my video is being watched and they recommend that highly. So I just want to, I have the little guy here to remind me to tell you guys, but I always seem to forget about asking for the thumbs up. So if you have an opportunity to give me a thumbs up or you want to do it right now, that would be great. Okay, the video today is going to be a giveaway video, and it is a duplicate item that's in my stash, which is really one of the first times that this is happening to me while I have a channel. Normally my duplicates are based on me getting 2 boxes from like BoxyCharm with 2 separate accounts. This is a duplicate of an item that I chose for myself for FabFitFun that I received, and I received it in a box, and I received it like this, and it is called a face GOMMAGE from a company called Skin & Co. And when I opened up my box, my base box for BoxyCharm in the month of January, I saw that I had, without the box, the same thing, same size, made in Italy, everything exactly the same. It is a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face GOMMAGE. So this one is also just over 5 ounces and it is made in Italy. Everything is exactly the same. So I'm putting it over here in my giveaway area so that I can show you the product from here that I got and that I've used. GOMMAGE is a really fantastic product. It is a little more unique than other exfoliators. What I found with GOMMAGE, the best way to use it is to apply it to a face that is dry. Other exfoliators you take and you massage in while your face is wet. This is the best way to use, and the reason it's called the GOMMAGE is they manipulate it into your skin in a spa. So this is your at-home version where you put it on and you allow it to do what it's got to do, and then you take a warm, wet washcloth to remove it. And they recommend you removing it with the washcloth as opposed to just splashing it off your face. So I'm just going to read you a little bit about this, so if you're not familiar with it, and then you'll make a decision if you want to sign up for the giveaway or not. So they're saying this is ideal for normal to oily skin. It is a truffle therapy face GOMMAGE. It gently exfoliates and polishes the skin while removing dead skin cells and impurities to instantly reveal dewy, clear skin. Thanks to the black winter truffle, apricot seed power, and the olive oil extract, sweet almond extract, and all of these are combined, this powerful mini facial leave-in radiant complexion. So they're saying the black truffle extract, it's obtained from the black winter truffle, which is an anti-aging, antioxidant powerhouse ingredient because of its ability to protect against the free radical damage. The apricot seed powder is known for gently exfoliating and promoting the removal of dull, damaged, and dead skin cells. The sweet almond extract is high in fatty acids, proteins, along with vitamin A and E, and it's known as a deep cleansing treatment to remove makeup, oil, dirt, and impurities throughout the day. And the last one is olive oil extract. Is a rich botanical source of squalene, and it is nourishing oil that mimics skin's sebum. It helps to regulate moisture oil production in the skin for a more hydrated and supple complexion. The squalene also helps to reduce the loss of moisture and appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So everything that's in here is top notch. And the directions, it says, apply a small amount of the truffle therapy face GOMMAGE over your face and neck, gently massage with a circular movement, for 1 to 2 minutes. Avoid eye areas. Remove with damp Luke face towel and pat dry. And then they say you can follow with, the same brand's toner. And they recommend that you can use this 2 to 3 times per week. And it's, I'm telling you, it's a fantastic product. So it's gentle. It comes like in a tube like this. I'll show you a little bit on the top of my hand here. It has a beigey type of color to it. The exfoliants that are in here, this is way too much. You really don't need this much. I would say between a nickel and a quarter size for your entire face. And you do not have to, spend a lot of time. So it's really just, 1 to 2 minutes putting this on and then relaxing, taking a warm towel to take it off, and you will see such a difference on your skin. At least I did. So that's why when I saw that I had 2 of these, but it is 5 fluid ounces and you use so little, there was no need for me to have a second for myself. And I definitely want someone else to have the opportunity to enjoy this product because it is a winner. So this is what the product looks like here. So I'm going to leave this on my hand, because every hand is nice to get some exfoliation treatment too, while I tell you the rest. And then I will, when we're finished the video, I will take it off with a warm cloth. All right. Okay. So if you're interested in this product, and like if you've seen with my giveaways on my channel, I try to do one good item at a time. So this way, if you're interested in this product, the people that are interested solely in this one product are the ones that should enter the giveaway. So they're very simple, my giveaways. It's just really people that have supported my channels are the ones that are going to be entered into the giveaways. So the first thing is we're only open in the US. I'm a small channel, a new channel, and that's what I can do. So it's USA only, or if you have a USA address that then you ship your stuff elsewhere, that's fine too. So the first thing that's most important is that you have to be subscribed to this channel on YouTube, as well as my Instagram channel that's called True Wants 2. The channel here, you have to make sure that your account is public. What that means is you have to check in your settings. Don't assume that you are public, because YouTube informed me that when we all set up our accounts, be it if you're a creator or just a regular watcher like I was, our accounts were always private. It's up to us to go into our settings and change it to public. Public is important for a creator to validate through YouTube that you are subscribed to the channel. The only way YouTube notifies us is if your account is public. That's simple. The second thing is Instagram. You have to follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is True Wants with the number 2, because in the comments down below, when you leave me that you want to be entered into this giveaway, in that comment below, you have to leave me also your Instagram name, because I will be using to the winner. I will tell you in the comments below that you have won, but I will also be informing you through direct message so we can exchange with each other our personal information, personal emails, personal addresses, and I want that all done through direct message because that's private. So that's why I want you to make sure that you're part of both. I also like to say to you that I've been very lucky with the people that have become my subscribers. I cannot thank you enough. Your comments are so heartwarming, and when you share your experiences with products that other people can enjoy and read under the comments, it has been not only helpful to me, but I know it has been helpful to others. So I want to thank you for that. So I do not want to stop those comments during my giveaways. So if you're interested in the giveaway, in your comment, mark that you're interested in the giveaway for the Skin and Company GOMMAGE, the face GOMMAGE, and leave your Instagram name. If you're not interested in the giveaway, but you still want to leave a comment, which I really hope you do, please just say, do not enter me in the giveaway, or this is just a comment to tell you that I was here. Anything that has nothing to do with the giveaway, so that I can differentiate between the people that want to leave a comment for the giveaway and the people that want to leave a comment because they want to tell people about the product, or you simply want to say hi to me, because I don't want to stop those comments during the giveaways because they mean a lot to me. So that's it. So I'm going to leave in the description box down below. If I've left out anything that I feel is important that I did not say, will be in the description box down below. Also, the date that we'll be pulling the winner will be in that description box down below as well. All right. Once again, thank you all for finding me. Thank you for spending your time with me. And I will see you all in my next video. All right. Take care. Bye for now.